Alright guys, we're gonna make a dish that we usually make in our family for Thanksgiving. It's something a little bit out of the norm as everybody else, but it's something that my grandmother did. It's a taco salad. It's not just your everyday taco salad, it has some Doritos and stuff in it. I'm gonna go through the ingredients with you guys and kind of mix it together. Not really any measurements, just kind of wanted to show you guys what we do. So right here I've got about 3 pounds of hamburger that's already been cooked. It's a little chilled right now, so it's gonna come out in a giant clump. Alright, and then we've got about 3/4 of a pound of cheese, but we're not going to put the whole thing in here. We're just going to put most of it. Fuck it. Alright. We got a lettuce that we're going to add to it. Shredded lettuce. About 4 tomatoes diced. There you go. Can of olives. Crushed Doritos. Don't put all of them in all at once because it'll get a little bit soggy. Put half in, and then you're gonna mix everything up. You're gonna need a big bowl, for sure. Everybody loves this taco salad. All right, once you get everything mixed up, you're gonna add some French dressing. Add about half a bottle first, mix it up, see where you're at, and then if you have to add more, you can add more to it. See that it's a little dry, add a little bit more. I usually use the whole bottle after everything's said and done because I like mine a little bit moist. That's my son. We call him Lilo because, or Stitch actually, not Lilo. Stitch because he's a little monster. Cute little monster, but a monster nonetheless. There you have it. Grandma's taco salad. Try it out, it's delicious. If you guys want the recipe, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Deuces!